Hello, we are the old world.
Yeah,
We are all the world.
we are the fool.
No, honey. People are sleepy, but people wake up. We also wake up, isn't it?
Exactly.
One person. No.
Only one.
I-
Well,
well,
it's gonna be more.
it's gonna be more.
Hello.
Enjoy.
Look at this. I need to do something with this.
Yeah, you have
I
to.
need to do something
You have to.
at some point.
You have to.
What's up?
We have a. Hey, someone wanna invite us? Okay, Somalian language. But sorry, I have a Russian boy, so you have to speak English, not
In
Somalian
English,
language.
please. I don't fucking understand.
We
So
have to
Somali.
speak English. Everyone have to be all like, hello,
Hello.
Hello, my
hello.
very my son.
You speak hello. Sorry, we have to close. We have also here. We have also here some movie going on.
Gaal Cadaan.
Do you speak English?
Do
Where are
you
you
speak
from?
English?
Do you speak English? Where are you from? No, you're somewhere Arabia. Sorry, honey. We don't have a we don't have a time to that.
We don't have
We
any time.
on
If you don't speak, you don't
English.
speak.
I think we're gonna speak Somali. Ask me. I said it. Understand. Okay, thank you. Welcome to that. But you know, honey. But you know, honey. How's the life beautiful?
Can you read the fucking message?
Yeah, no, it's not, yeah. 14 people. Okay, we was thinking 9.
Okay.
Anyway, honey, we was after party. If anyone know after party what mean? Do anyone know Somalian people? When they are Muslim, then everyone we have to use a really Muslim. But I'm a Muslim transsexual. But you know, honey, I'm open mind. I cannot be really to close my heart to do. No, honey. No, I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry. If you like me or if you don't like me, if you hate me, if you don't hate me.
Well, if you hurt her.
We are too much to do that. But I had Somaliga. Let's speak Somali language. Let's do it.
Oh, well, I don't
Somalian people, you know, honey, what I'm gonna say to you, a girl or a man, or gentle or
honey. Do it in Somali.
no, darling. We have said darling.
Darling.
So, darling, yeah, let's talk about it. It's a morning time. Who was wake up this time? I think every mother, a single mother, and everyone is sleeping this time.
Yeah.
But we don't sleep. Why not? We have to wake up.
You have to wake up in like
We have to.
30 minutes.
We have to do it then.
Well, you have to do it. I don't have to do it. I don't have to fucking do it. I don't fucking have to do it. You have to do it. You have to wake up in 30 minutes. She has to wake up in 30 minutes. Right?
That's
right. And she has to be
yeah.
well, she has to be in school in 1 hour and 40 minutes.
How we can do that?
We aren't gonna do it. She's gonna fucking skip it.
Yeah, we're gonna do it.
Right? She's gonna fucking skip it.
I think we're gonna get some energy drink, so it's gonna help. But you know, guys, I'm gonna tell you if you like me or if you don't like me. But you know, honey, I'm a lady. Is a guy who kind of a guy is it, but he's a guy. And I'm a looking lady. Thinking about Somalian people or Muslim people, thinking about that. Woman, she's a woman. It doesn't matter how you supporting, how, but if someone put a lady woman class and looking as a woman, it's really as a woman always. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. It doesn't matter who you are. Like in everyone change people as a culture, as we was spoken about, everyone thinking about, hello, you're the gay, you're the transsexual, you're this. Fuck, we don't need it. Go grow up. We have to grow up. We have to grow up. The people are people. It doesn't matter, are you Christian, or are you white, are you black, are you this? It doesn't matter, honey. Grow up. Enjoy that life. Enjoy. Enjoy that life, honey.
Exactly. Fucking
You don't
grow up.
need that to do something to enjoy it. But always you have to enjoy it, your life. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't
who
matter.
you are. What you are.
Exactly. It doesn't
You
matter.
believe it.
You are you.
You are you. What you believe. What you like. Always is just you. With you are what you are.
Exactly. You.
Exactly. You know, you see how many teeth I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. Maybe 10. Or more than 10.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, honey. Maybe some another day. Enjoy for the evening. Take your time. But you know, honey, what kind of a people we are? أنا مرة بحنا قفك احترام بالعالم لماذا قبه ورحنا إلهي بايسيها يلا يقعون إنه hello jealous people, don't look at me how beautiful I am. God make me honey that. I didn't need to answer. Enjoy it. Tarayo. Okay, someone make her honey.
Oh, honey.
I would like that. Do I look like, let's be the class of my friend. Should I look like teacher? Should I look teacher?
No, now you look like
Do you think I'm not looking like teacher?
No, you look like a
Really?
lesbian.
Well, that's too much, I think. I'm not looking like teacher.
You look like a lesbian, but
Really?
yeah.
I like to
with
pussy. All Somalians are lesbian, but they never wanna be. But lick like pussy like this, not lick like this.
Sure.
Lick like that, honey.
Honey baby.
Honey, baby. Hey, enjoy it, guys. See you next time, maybe. Or not. You don't know. Hey. Hi, Somalia.
Hello.
Hello. We are the old world.
Yeah.
We are the world.
We are the fool.
No, honey. People are sleepy, but people wake up. We also wake up. Isn't it?
Exactly.
One person. No.
Only one.
Well.
Well, it's gonna be more.
It's gonna be more.
Hello.
Enjoy it.
Look at this. I need to do something with this.
Hey. Hi, Somalia.
Hello.
Hello. We are the old world.
Yeah.
We are the world.
We are the fool.
No, honey. People are sleepy, but people wake up. We also wake up, isn't it?
Exactly.
One person. No.
Only one.
Well,
Well, it's gonna be more.
It's gonna be more.
Hello.
Enjoy.
Look at this. I need to do something with this.